The man that walked out of fire.
I think that's Romain Grosjean that has gone into the barriers there. About 140 miles an hour.
This was a big one. This was a big one.
What the fuck was that?
Tell me he's okay, please. Tell me he's okay.
Yeah, this one was hard to watch. The big question was, where's the rest of the car and where is the driver?
And I thought about my kids and I said, no, I cannot die today.
Not only has he survived going through a barrier at 160 miles an hour, the heat must have been so extreme. It was a miracle. It was absolutely a miracle.